Hey everyone, Andy here from Traverse Bay Farms. You probably know cherries are delicious, but did you know you can enjoy every part of them? Let me share 6 little-known, fun, and healthy ways to get the most out of the cherry. Cherry stem tea. Don't toss those stems. After eating the cherries, measure out 3 tablespoons of stems, drop them into boiling water, and let them steep for 12 minutes. Remove the stems and enjoy a light, soothing tea. It's a simple way to extend the life of your cherries. Frozen cherries. This one's so easy. Pit the cherries, toss them into a freezer bag, and pop them in the freezer. When you're ready, thaw them out and blend into smoothies. Sprinkle them over desserts or, my favorite, eat them straight from the bag like sweet little popsicles. Homemade dried cherries. Forget store-bought. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees, spread fresh cherries on a cookie sheet, and bake them for about 8 hours. The result? Moist, chewy, and absolutely irresistible dried cherries. Perfect for snacking or tossing into a salad. Heat your home. Yes, really, cherry pits. Believe it or not, cherry pits produce about 9,500 BTUs of heat per pound. That's serious energy. Use them in a pellet stove, and those cherries you enjoyed all summer can help keep you warm in the winter. Flavor enhancer. This is where cherries shine in everyday cooking. Drop dried cherries into a smoothie, stir them into oatmeal, or bake them into muffins. My personal favorite, pairing them with chocolate. Sweet meets tart, perfection. Drink the juice. Cherry juice isn't just tasty, it's functional. It's packed with antioxidants that support healthy joints. Plus, it contains melatonin to help you get a great night's sleep. A glass a day is an easy, natural upgrade to your routine. So there you go, 6 little-known ways to enjoy the entire cherry. From stems to pits, from fresh to frozen, nothing goes to waste. And hey, if you'd like to learn even more about cherries and their natural health benefits, make sure to download your free tart cherry health report at our website, Traverse Bay Farms, www.traversebayfarms.com. Thanks for listening, and here's to enjoying cherries in every way possible.